9, 6, 2, 5, 9, 3.
Ah! What's going on, guys? TH, Homebrew for life. Been drinking all night. It's 2 in the morning. Had my birthday last night. I got a flight to New Orleans at 6 in the morning. I got a little life hack for you. Don't go to bed. Don't rest your eyes for 10 minutes. You will sleep through your flight. You gotta power through the night. That's what I gotta do for the next 4 hours. Let's go to New Orleans. Let's go to New Orleans. We got all the homies coming up right now. Let's try to get a shot of this place before the calm, before the storm. So here it is. Here's the main room. Nice little shotgun house. We'll shoot it again from in the morning. Still got the Christmas tree up. Appreciate that. Nice little table for 2. There's the landlord. The very pretty Andrea. Nice little kitchen. Nice bathroom. Digging that. Super high ceilings. We got the Home Alone attic right there. Here's the master. That door leads to outside. Here's the CH room. Check it out. There's a sauna in this room. Check it out. I'm not kidding. Sauna in the room. So that's it. The homies are coming over right now. It's gonna get wild. All the homies coming in from Los Angeles right now. It's gonna be a crazy weekend. Fake headbutt. First night. Come on. What are we gonna do? All right, so we've teamed up with the boys. Quick little recap from the dudes. We got Matt and Wayne. Wayne's lovely wife, Brittany, who live in New Orleans. Met them last year. We braged out. We got Eric, Eddie, and Pyro, down from Los Angeles. Some serious bra shit. We got them beers going, baby. But let's head out. First things first, let's hit up a video game titty bar. Now we've got nipples, but they're covered. So YouTube shouldn't flag this video, but you never know what those super nerds at Google are up to. Party. We're not acclimated to the time, so it's like 5 a.m. here, but really it's just midnight on the West Coast. It's like a 5-hour difference. That's it for day 1. Pass out sesh. Peace.
Are you recording?
What's going on, guys? CH from Homebrew for Life. Out here with Eddie and Porno for Pyros. Where are we at right now? We're in the great city of where?
New Orleans.
We're out here in New Orleans. We're gonna eat good. We're gonna go craft beer hunting, and you can come with us for free. Let's roll.
What's up, Raj?
We out here. Courtyard Brewery.
Courtyard Brew House.
Let's get drunk. All right, so day 2 was going good. We went to a hot sauce house that had the hottest stuff in the world. You actually had to sign a waiver to sample any of their stuff. The woman behind the counter thought we were fucking idiots. Eddie hit some of the hot stuff and immediately had to use the restroom. Down for the count for a good 30 minutes.
He wanted the pepper house and he died.
How do you get rid of hot taste in your mouth?
Milk. Milk or ginger ale. I would say milk. Yeah, milk. I have buttermilk.
All right, that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 where we finish up our trip in New Orleans. Shout out to anybody and everybody who watched this video. And as always, cheers to eating good and drinking good, braj.
It's freaking hard.
Is it lingering or
no? It's kicking hard. Like, it's hard. It tastes really good.
Have you ever seen a grown man cry his eyes out?